Good morning. Over at the far east side of Brecon Beacons today, gonna go up Black Hill and over onto Hay Bluff and then loop round. Technically we're still in England, but I'll keep that to yourself. I don't think the Welshies will like it if you say that. That'll be like saying, I don't know, it's too early to come up with silly lines. Insert your own joke here. Right, Gil. Go on then. So the peaks today are Black Hill and Hay Bluff. Be a fairly gentle, easy walk, more of a walk with the dog, just it's a Sunday, relax. The main reason for coming this way is to go over a section called the Cat's Back. It's a bit of a rocky ridge which leads up to Black Hill summit. Come on, let's go. So now at the start of the Cat's Back, it's just a ridge of rock, interesting path which leads on up to Black Hill. I'd been coming to Brecon Beacons for a few years before I knew about this place. It's a lot quieter here. If you're going to Hay Bluff, you can easily overlook this. You start at the other side over at Hay on Wye and completely miss this. This one. Looks like rain coming in. So what I would call the start of the Cat's Back is about there and leads on up to there, which is about a mile. It's a really straightforward route actually. You park right at the base of where you start. So there isn't any big slog to get there. Then you follow the ridge line up, loop round, and then I'm going to come back down through the valley. Really easy to navigate this one. Whenever I come here, it's always windy. I think that's just because it's so exposed. If you look west, you've got the ridge of Lord Hereford's Knob blocking the way, but east it's just nothing. So you really do get the weather. I always think that this cairn marks the end of the Cat's Back, and now you get more onto the more typical Brecon Beacons type of terrain. So I'm going to now bomb it up there to Black Hill summit, and then I'll catch up with you there. Just got up to Black Hill summit. There's the trick. We just got our head down and came up to get here. It's not boring. It's just after the, you know, the fun bit of the Cat's Back. It's a pleasant walk, pleasant Sunday walk. But yeah, we're up here now. One of the downfalls of it being a quieter route is that it doesn't have so much work done on the paths, so it does get a bit boggy around. Slight change of plan. These walks take a lot longer when you're videoing, and I'm starting to run out of time, so Hay Bluff is going to have to wait. It's up there. I mean, it's very much more of this path just was, you know, not boring, not boring, nice walk, but it's gonna have to wait for today. And I think there's two options to get back down now. You can either loop round into the valley, which was gonna be my plan for today, for earlier, if I was doing the whole thing, but instead I think I'm gonna go back over Cat's Back. Not really a big fan of linear routes, mainly for my own interest. Lola hates it too. She just knows that, you know, that's the end as soon as we start going back. Yeah, so this time we're going to do a linear. Not really a big fan, but it is the best route around here. So yeah, we'll have a quick scramble around on the rocks and then get down. And then next time, have more time. Going back a few years now, I did a hard route up Black Hill and Hay Bluff, and I just gone over the top of Black Hill, coming up the side here, and went down into the next valley to then head up towards Hay Bluff. And I went up a gill, because that seems to be my thing, and just at the top there was a small waterfall, and I was just standing there enjoying the view, put my foot down on what I thought was solid ground, but there was a hole, and then I heard something just ping in my ankle. It was only a minor sprain, but there was quite a long walk after that. The video just goes to being sort of no talking. It finishes with me just sort of touching the trig, walking home. Well, walking back to the car, not walking home. Yeah. Only a minor sprain though, wasn't too bad. Now back at the start of the Dragon's Back. You can see the car just down there. We're gonna bum it down there, get out of here. Let me know what you thought of the route in the comments. I know it's not gone quite to plan, but in the description I'll put a link to the intended route and the actual route I did. And then yeah, let me know if you give it a go. Also let me know what routes you want me to do, because I'm pretty much up for anything. Oh yeah, before I go, subscribe. That's the key to YouTube, isn't it? I think asking people to subscribe. So yeah, we're off, and we'll see you in the next one.